Hello, little explorers! Are you ready for an alphabet adventure? Today, we are discovering 4 amazing letters: I, J, K, and L. We have 3 animal friends for every letter. Put on your safari hats and let's go! Before we meet our first animal, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button so you can join all our fun adventures. Are you ready? Let's go! First is the letter I. It makes the sound I, I, I. Can you say I? Look, I is for iguana. Iguanas are cool green lizards that love to climb trees. Can you wave hello to the iguana? I, iguana. Did you know? Iguanas have a third eye on top of their head. It's not for seeing colors, but it helps them spot shadows of birds flying above so they can stay safe. Now look up high. That's an Indri. It's a large, fuzzy lemur from Madagascar. Indris love to sing loud songs to their families. Can you pretend to sing like an Indri? La la la! Listen to that! The Indri is one of the few animals that sings in a duo or a group, just like a choir. Their songs can be heard over 2 kilometers away through the jungle. And here is the Impala. Impala. Impalas are fast runners and can jump very high over the grass. Let's try a small jump. Boing! The Impala is a super jumper. They can jump over 3 meters high. That's higher than a basketball hoop. They jump to confuse hungry predators. Next is the letter J. It makes the sound J, J, J. Splash! Under the sea, we find the jellyfish. They have long, wiggly tentacles. Let's wiggle our fingers like a jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are like magic. They are made of 95% water. Because they don't have hearts, they just pulse their bodies to move through the ocean. Look at those spots. J is for jaguar. Jaguars are very strong big cats that love to swim in the river. They are very brave. Most house cats hate water. Jaguars love to go for a splash in the rainforest rivers to hunt and cool down. And here is the jackal. Jackals look like small, clever dogs. They live in the wild and have very big ears to hear everything. Jackal. The jackal is a very talkative animal. They use yips, growls, and high-pitched howls to talk to their family members, almost like they are using a walkie-talkie. Moving on to the letter K. It makes the sound K. Boing, boing. K is for kangaroo. They have big tails and carry their babies in a pouch. Can you jump like a kangaroo? Kangaroo. Kangaroos use their big, strong tails like a 5th leg. It helps them balance when they stand up and gives them a big push when they want to hop fast. Shh, this one is taking a nap. It's a koala. Koalas love to hug trees and eat green leaves all day. So fluffy. Koalas are very sleepy. They sleep for up to 20 hours a day because their favorite food, eucalyptus leaves, takes a lot of energy to digest. Look at that bird dive. That's a kingfisher. It is very fast and has beautiful blue feathers. Kingfisher. The kingfisher is a master fisher. They have special eyes that can see clearly through the water's surface, so they never miss a fish when they dive. Finally, let's look at the letter L. It makes the sound ooh, ooh, ooh. The king of the jungle. L is for lion. Lions have big golden manes. Let's give a big roar. Roar. Lions are the only cats that live in big families called prides. While other cats like to be alone, lions love to play and nap together with their brothers and sisters. So tiny and pretty. This is a ladybug. They are red with little black spots. Can you count the spots? 1, 2, 3. A ladybug might look tasty, but they have a secret. When they are scared, they fly away or release a smelly liquid from their knees to tell birds, "Yuck, I don't taste good." Say hi to the llama. Llamas have long necks and very soft wool. They are very friendly animals. Llama. Llamas are the ultimate hikers. They have special blood that helps them breathe easily high up in the cold mountains, where the air is very thin. You did it! You learned 12 amazing animals from I to L. Let's remember: iguana, jellyfish, kangaroo, and lion. You are such a smart explorer. Keep practicing your letters, and I'll see you in our next adventure. You did such a great job learning today. But how much do you remember? It's time for our animal quiz. I will ask a question, and you try to shout out the answer. Are you ready? Let's play! Question. I am a fuzzy animal from Madagascar, and I love to sing loud songs to my family. Who am I? Is it the iguana or the Indri? That's right, it's the Indri. La la la. Question. I live in the ocean, and I am made of 95% water. I have no heart and no brain. Am I a jaguar or a jellyfish? Correct. It's the jellyfish. Look at it wiggle. Question. I have a big golden mane and a very loud roar. I am the king of the jungle. Who am I? Is it the lion or the llama? Yes, it's the lion. Roar. Well done. Question. I have a big, strong tail and a cozy pouch to carry my baby. I love to hop, hop, hop. Who am I? Is it the kangaroo or the koala? You got it. It's the kangaroo. Boing, boing, boing. Question. I am very small, red, and I have black spots on my back. I can fly. Am I a ladybug or a kingfisher? That's right. It's the ladybug. You are so smart. Wow, what an amazing adventure! Today we traveled from the jungle to the ocean and met 12 incredible animal friends. We learned all about the letters I, J, K, and L. You did a fantastic job today, little explorers. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Clap, clap, clap. Did you have fun meeting the singing Indri and the roaring lion? If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our next alphabet safari. Share this video with your friends so they can learn too. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Keep practicing your letters and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!